Welcome everyone. This time we will talk about how to build portal app in Power Platform, and this is focused towards PL-900, that is Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals certification. My name is Riju and I am available in Twitter through the Twitter handle mentioned here. So let's jump into that. But I wanted to go now, close this thing, go to the apps home. So this is where we are. We need to make sure that we are in the right environment, and then we go to the solution here, and then we see the apps also inside the solution. So remember the first lab where we created the portal, right? This is the Bellows College visitors. That's the portal we have created, right? So that's a portal type. The type is portal. You can see this is the app portal. To start working on it, go into this and then say edit. Then it opens up in the designer mode. Now because this portal creation takes time, so it took some initiative at the beginning to initiate that portal creation process, and hence we are all ready to jump into that. So what I can do, I can say that I want to create a new page, right? And when you say fixed layout, there are a couple of different options you have available here, right? In this fixed layout, we have a page with title. So let's take that layout. This will create a page. It's just loading here. You can see in the right hand side of the screen, and then the name of the page is coming as new page 1. I change it to building directory, okay, and the URL of the page, which will be the name, so I'll say building dash directory. Make some sense, right? And then I just come out of here and add some static content. So we have the building directory, we have this one. Okay, right now we are good. That's fine. So what I wanted to do is that yeah, so this is the place I was looking for. This is the page copy section. So what I wanted to do is that in the this is a large box, right? In the component icon, we have something called two column section. So I select this and it brings the two column section over here. You can see that column 1, column 2, all fine. And then I just wanted to add some static text into that. following is, it's a static thing, right? Is the building directory. That's all right. You, if you don't want that, simply select. Okay, leave it like that. Why this is some, oops, convert. Let's just see, because this delete button was disabled, so it should not be the case. So let's just try to log in again. Now I don't want to convert it here, so I'm not worried about that. And I must delete this. So actually I was looking for, if I select this, this should enable, then I'll be able to delete it, but this is somehow not allowing me to do that. So is there something to do with? So let's just leave that thing, that's okay. And then I just wanted to add some images. Let's say I go to the toolbar, image, I select this right column. While it is selected, I go to this and then I say image. So image comes up. Select any, that should be fine. I can put this image here. This is what I wanted to. Why this is double column? Okay, so let me insert image here and then select product A. Okay, that's fine. Now it's not fill it completely, so let's say 70%, and then I say browse the website. Let's see how it looks like. It just pops up. Okay, and it shows some skeleton, which is nice. Now let's just add some dynamic content here. Okay, so here what I want to do that is that if you just notice here in this, when you run this, me also run it. I just would observe. So you have the building directory. Okay, there is something like building directory. That's okay. So that's what we have done. What I now need is that that's fine. So I just added a list component, right? And then in this name field, I'll just use buildings list, and then I choose the entity. Let's say, oh, I cannot type here. I would always go by the alphabetical order. Where is BBUI BC underscore building? Okay, and then here you, that's when the active building, the view is important because you have different way to display the record. Okay, and then I say browse the website. I basically displayed all the buildings. So let's see how it looks like. Ah, nice. So you have all the buildings including the Redmond too. Perfect. Now what you can do, you can also change and apply theme here into this. Here, if you go to this, you see that there's something called theme, and then it's not enabled. So let me enable the basic theme. Ah, yeah. And then you get to see a couple of options available. You can also say customize. You can edit the RSS, CSS, and then there are a couple of presets available. Correct? Just go to this. So let's say this one. Now I don't want to apply that. I want to customize. Okay, let's create that. So if you have, let's just set up presets, you can customize that. Okay. So many copies got created. Okay, that anyways, it is now applied. So I see a dark theme, right? I just try running this, and I'll see a different color altogether. Ah, that's fine. You can see that. That looks nice. I just close this, and that's the portal I'm able to build pretty quickly, right? All the things I need otherwise, as this my skill set to really build something doesn't really needed here. I go back to the Power App portal. I say leave this, and then I'm back to the Mac normal portal. So thank you very much.